Hey everyone, this CHOOSEN Wealth TV. Are you tired of feeling broke? Do you want to learn how to save thousands of dollars every year? In this video, I'm going to share 30 things that you should never buy. That's right, 30. We're going to be talking about everything from expensive coffee drinks to brand new cars to lottery tickets. If you're ready to start saving money and building wealth, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. That daily $5 latte might seem small, but it adds up to over $1,800 a year. Invest that money instead and watch your wealth grow. The second you drive a new car off the lot, it loses a ton of value. Buy used and save yourself thousands. These warranties are often overpriced and rarely worth the cost. Most products come with a manufacturer's warranty anyway. The odds of winning the lottery are astronomically low. Instead of throwing your money away, why not invest it? It's a much better bet for your future. Do you really need the latest smartphone? Think about it. Previous models often offer nearly identical features for a fraction of the price. Eating out all the time really drains your bank account. Cooking at home isn't just healthier, it's also significantly cheaper. You're often paying for the brand name, not better quality. Find comparable styles at a fraction of the cost. If you're not using it consistently, cancel it. Home workouts or outdoor activities can be just as effective. Those daily snacks and drinks add up. Buy in bulk and save yourself a ton of money over the year. Streaming services offer a wider variety of content at a fraction of the cost of cable. Avoid impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. You might realize you don't need it after all. Trendy clothes that fall apart quickly are a waste of money and resources. Invest in quality pieces that will last. Unless your car specifically requires it, premium fuel is unlikely to provide any noticeable benefit. Generic brands contain the same active ingredients as name brands but often cost significantly less. Wait for prices to drop on new gaming consoles. You can often save hundreds of dollars by being patient. Those small in-game purchases can really add up quickly, can't they? It's important to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. It's crucial to shop around for the best insurance rates and make sure you're not paying for coverage you don't need. Being informed can save you a lot of money in the long run. Remember to pay off your credit card balances in full every month to avoid accruing high interest charges. This simple habit can save you from a lot of financial stress down the line. Take a moment to review your subscriptions regularly and cancel any that you're not actively using. You'd be surprised how much money you're wasting. When it comes to holiday gifts, set a budget and stick to it. Remember, it's the thought that counts, not the price tag. Before you decide to buy that trendy kitchen gadget, ask yourself how often you'll realistically use it. Do you really need another unitasker cluttering your drawers? Exploring affordable alternatives or ways to enjoy your hobbies on a budget is quite possible. There's no need to break the bank just for leisure. Did you know that alcohol at restaurants is heavily marked up? You might enjoy a drink at home before you go out or just stick to water with your meal. Consider this. Tap water is significantly cheaper, and with a good filter, it's just as clean and refreshing. Why not ditch the plastic bottles? Avoid payday loans at all costs. Their high interest rates can trap you in a cycle of debt. Keep track of your account balance and set up alerts to avoid costly overdraft fees. You can find comfortable and stylish bedding at a fraction of the cost of high-end brands. Drugstore cosmetics often offer comparable quality to high-end brands at a fraction of the price. Libraries and secondhand bookstores offer a treasure trove of books at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Exotic pets can require specialized and expensive care. Consider simpler pet options that are more affordable and easier to manage. So there you have it, 30 things that you should never buy. By cutting out these unnecessary expenses, you can save thousands of dollars every year and start building real wealth. Remember, financial freedom starts with making smart choices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this list and what other money-saving tips you have. Thanks for watching.